So it's December 3rd, 2025. We are in Dallas, Texas, downtown. And I'm gonna show y'all some views real quick. Yeah, that's where we at. So yeah, you see we got the plants. We definitely keep those vibrant as possible. Alright. So so again, a big thing that something that I have been into is keeping life, life around, good energy, right? Good vibes. It's very important. One of the things I want to talk about today is understanding your gift. I was talking to someone the other day and I said, we all have gifts, and you got things that that you dream, that you may dream of, that's your gift. Alexa, volume 2. So you have things that you may dream of that you wish was your gift. Let me say it like that. That you we got things that we dream of that we wish was our gift, right? Or things that we were naturally gifted at. And it's almost like a duty to use it. You know, I mean, the easiest person to talk about is LeBron. It's like LeBron saying he don't like basketball and just going to work at McDonald's. You know? Like, for him, that would be him spitting on his gift, right? He was gifted to be able to channel his energy towards that, right? He was gifted. But at the same time, the owner of 5 McDonald's, right? Who's worth 50 million, right? It was his gift to become an owner and not just stay at a cashier and not ask for a promotion, right? I mean, it's just some things that we're gifted with. It's just some things that we are naturally gifted, and the goal is to find out what that gift is and then to use it, squeeze that lemon to get what you need and want, right? And that's true power. Understanding what your gift is and then learning how to use it at the best of its ability. And once you do that, you will crystallize. They say pressure make diamonds, right? But I always use the term crystallize. You will crystallize that gift into something that provides for you, your family, puts food on the table, things like that, right? And that's true power. You using a gift from God, from you, that's natural to you, that's it should come easy, to be honest, from you. A lot of us, we spit on those gifts. We downplay them. We don't do them a lot, right? If a girl know how to do hair, she just kind of do it every once in a while, right? But everybody says she's really good at it. For guys, I mean, there's so many things that we get distracted by, but we know what we're really good at. And it's just like, because it comes so easy, it's like, oh, that's nothing, right? But to me, that's ego. That's ego. That's us, not being humble and understanding that you aren't bigger than the program. Now, you can do more than one thing, of course, but if you haven't mastered what you are naturally gifted at or searching for that, then my question to you is, what you doing? You know, but like I said, this message is for some, not many. But I would definitely say, man, I did it. I did it. I definitely wanted to go another way. And man, boy, I started. And I said, man, I will go back. I apologize. I never do it again. And I run it up. And I did, you know. So, like I said, it don't take me long, you know. You know, a snake get close to biting me, I don't put my hand out no more, you know. So yeah, man, that's the lesson for today is, you know, your gift. Understand it, use it, take advantage of it. It's a blessing. It's Marcus Harbin. We out.